Hello everyone, welcome to your PD and this is Shubhya. This video is for all the ones who are preparing for Airport Authority of India. And this time recruitment of managers and junior executives in various disciplines has been announced. Now you see the weightage of English in this examination is going to be 15 marks, which is a very good weightage. And yes, the level of English is more on the easier side. So you can easily score 12 out of 15 also if you're not very proficient in English. Now, many students have a doubt regarding vocabulary, how to prepare vocabulary. There are lots of words. What are the most important words? So this time, what I've done through this video, I will be teaching you 25 most important idioms and phrases in one go. So we will be dividing our idioms and phrases in multiple parts, like I'll divide it out into 4 to 8 parts. And yes, it will be easier for you to learn it in the series also. So yes, it will be same going for the synonyms, antonyms, idioms and phrases, and also about one word substitution. So this way you're gonna complete your entire vocabulary. If you want the document of this, yes, the document is available on your PDF panel, so you can easily get the documentation from there, right? Don't forget to download the documentation, because once you have the document as a hard copy, you can easily revise and practice that also. Now let's get started. We will talk about one by one all the idioms, and I will also tell you about its Hindi meaning. The very first is beat around the bush. Very easy. Beat around the bush means that is when I want you guys, आप बात घुमा फिरा के करते हैं, घुमा फिरा के बात करना, to avoid the talking about the main topic. आप main topic की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप irrelevant चीजों की बात कर रहे हैं और main part को तो miss ही कर जाते हैं. That is called as beat around the bush. Bush के sides पे घूमते रहना मतलब main चीज की बात ना करना. Second, it is your hit the nail on the head. Before I tell you, never understand one thing, that idioms and phrases don't mean the literal meaning. Hit the nail on the head doesn't mean कि आप head पे nail hit कर रहे हैं. No. It means in the terms of the contextual meaning. क्या बन सकता है? When I say the same thing as you say, same time, we think our thoughts align. हम एक ही चीज की बात करते हैं. That is called as hit the nail on the head. That is to say or do exactly right. What I wanted, you did the same thing. That is called as you hit the nail on the head. ठीक जवाब देना, बिल्कुल सही होना, मतलब जिस चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट है आप वही कर रहे हैं. कई बार हम सेम वर्ड्स बोल देते हैं. सपोज आई से यू कि इंग्लिश में वोकैबुलरी इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपके माइंड में भी वही चल रहा था, इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस. सो यस, यू हिट द नेल ऑन द हेड कि आपने बिल्कुल सही बात की है और आपने क्या किया है, वी सेड द सेम थिंग, वी हैव द सेम थॉट्स इन आवर माइंड. Third is spill the beans. What do you mean by spill the beans? Beans spill करना. Actual में तो beans spill नहीं करेंगे हम. This means when you try to reveal the secret. Conceal होता है hide करना, which is a very important vocabulary word also. And here it comes as the opposite of conceal is reveal. When you reveal some secret, that is called as spill the beans. रास उगल देना या भेद खोल देना, that is also called as your spill the beans. Next we have is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Now you don't bite the bullet as such. It means very difficult situation and you are ready to face a difficult situation in your life. So bite the bullet means when you are ready to face difficulty in your life. That means कड़वा घूट पीना, मजबूरी में स्वीकार करना. अगर नहीं करोगे आप तैयारी अच्छे से, अभी ये वाली चीजें नहीं पढ़ोगे आप, तो बाद में जो डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टांसेस, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर एंड देन यू हैव टू बाइट द बुलेट, बिकॉज आपको वो चीजों को फेस करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन एंड वी स्टडी हार्ड फॉर दिस. नेक्स्ट इज अंडर द वेदर. वेरी इजी. नॉर्मली वी स्पीक दिस आउट. अंडर द वेदर मीन्स जब आप एक अच्छे, आप अनवेल है, आप सही स्टेट में नहीं है, आपको लगता है कि यू आर नॉट डूइंग रियली गुड टुडे, दैट is called as under the weather. Not feeling well, slightly ill, तबीयत ठीक ना होना, थोड़ा बीमार होना, that is called as under the weather. I hope you are pretty clear with the 5 ones. The very first is beat around the bush. घुमा फिरा के बात करना is called as beat around the bush to avoid the main topic discussion. Second is your hit the nail on the head when you say the exact thing which is required at the right time. That is hit the nail on the head. Third is spill the beans when you try to reveal the secret. Fourth is bite the bullet. Very difficult situation is there and you try to face it. That is called as bite the bullet. And the next you have is under the weather. Under the weather means when you are slightly ill or you are not well. Let's go with the next one. Next 5 is the first is cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg is that is something that is very expensive. Suppose buying a bungalow in this expensive city is going to cost me an arm and a leg. That means बहुत महंगी चीज होना. That is, now how would you say it out to cost a lot of money? भारी कीमत चुकाना, बहुत महंगा पड़ना. That is called as cost an arm and a leg. Next is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means kabhi kabhar, rarely. Sometimes you say, oh, I meet this person once in a blue moon, कि आप कभी कभार उस person को मिलते हैं. ईद का चांद होना, कभी कभार किसी से मिलना, कभी कभार कहीं जाना, that is called as once in a blue moon. A piece of cake. A piece of cake is a positive, tasty thing, right? And similarly, for some actions, you would say that yes, something that is very easy peasy, you will call it out as a piece of cake. Something that is very easy. बाएं हाथ का खेल होना, that is called as piece of cake. I think that is also clear to you. Okay, so next we have is, now this is your cost and arm and leg is clear, once in a blue moon is clear, a piece of cake is there, right? Next we have it, a call it a day. Call it a day means when you decide to stop working for the entire day, that is called as call it a day. जब आप किसी चीज के लिए बोलते हैं कि ठीक है, अभी हमें क्या करना चाहिए, आज का काम समाप्त करना चाहिए, आज के लिए इतना काफी है, that is called as call it a day, to stop all the activities. Next you have is hit the sack. Okay, what do you mean by hit the sack? That is to fall asleep. जब आपको नींद आ जाती है, आप थक जाते हैं, then you call it out as hit the sack. That is to go to bed, to sleep. बिस्तर पर जाना, सोए जाना, that is hit the sack. Next is your let the cat out of the bag. When you get the cat out of the bag means that is you reveal the secret by mistake. जैसे spill the beans में आप secret reveal कर देते हैं, here also you reveal a secret by mistake. That is गलती से राज उजागर कर देना और भेद खोल देना. Break the ice. Now if the environment of the room is quiet, you can say pretty quiet, and then you break the ice. That means you start the conversation. That is called as break the ice. To make people feel more relaxed in a social situation, बातचीत शुरू करना is called as break the ice. A blessing in disguise, something that seems bad at the first instance, but it is good later on. तो blessing in disguise होता है कि कुछ ना कुछ बुराई में भी कुछ अच्छा ही छिपा हुआ है. तो है छुपा हुआ वरदान, बुरा लगने वाला पर फायदेमंद. कुछ चीज है लगता है स्टार्टिंग में बुरी है बट नहीं बहुत अच्छी है. इडियम्स शायद आपको बुरे लग रहे हो या बोरिंग लग रहे हो बट है तो बहुत अच्छे. दैट इफ यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट इन योर कन्वर्सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी लुकिंग वेरी ग्लोरिफाइड. Next you have is a bolt from the blue. That is a kind of unexpected event. जिसका आपने expectation भी नहीं किया था. That is a bolt from the blue. And bury the hatchet. That means stop arguing and become friendly. कि just bury the hatchet. जो भी पुरानी problems है उसको खत्म करो, उसको दबा दीजिए. झगड़ा खत्म करना is called as bury the hatchet. Now, I hope you are clear with the 15 ones. We revised the 5, cost an arm and a leg, which is extremely expensive. Once in a blue moon, kabhi kabar. A piece of cake, something that is very easy. Call it a day. Let's stop all the activities. Hit the sack to go to bed or sleep. Let the cat out of a bag to reveal a secret by mistake. Break the ice to make people more relaxed in a social situation. And it is a blessing in disguise. हर बुराई में एक अच्छाई छिपी हुई है. Bolt from the blue, an unexpected event. Bury the hatchet, that is to stop fighting and arguing and become friendly. The next one is burn the midnight oil. Now you guys are studying really hard at even in the nights. If you're working, you're studying. That is called as burning the midnight oil. To study or work late hours at night, देर तक काम करना is called as burn the midnight oil. वाइल्ड गूस चेज, जिस चीज में हमें पता है कि कोई फायदा नहीं होना पर चाहिए या होगा हमें, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वाइल्ड गूस चेज. अ सर्च फॉर समथिंग दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइंड. अप वाइल्ड गूस चेज को करता कौन है, तो मतलब कोई चीज है जिसको पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, कोई अच्छा ही नहीं है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वाइल्ड गूस चेज. फेस द म्यूजिक, दैट इज bear the consequences. If you want study hard, you have to face the consequences. तो क्या होता है face the music, मतलब कोई भी आगे circumstances आते हैं, consequences आते हैं कि ये का फल भुगतना जो भी आपने किया है उसे बोलते हैं face the music. On cloud 9, when you will crack the paper and you are selected in AAI, obviously you are going to be on cloud 9. You are going to be extremely happy and delighted. That was what means on cloud 9. खुशी से फूले ना समाना. Sit on the fence to avoid taking decisions or making a decision, right? When it is आप कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कौन सी साइड लेनी है, that is you sit on the fence. Like as you are in a very difficult situation, both the sides you are not able to decide, you sit on the fence. Next is your bite of more than one you can chew. Like जितना बाइट ऑफ करना, जितना खाया भी नहीं जा रहा है, मतलब इतनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रही है, मैं उसको कैसे फुलफिल करूंगी. टू टेक ऑन मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दैट वन कैन मैनेज. इट इज हैसियत के बाहर जब आप काम करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर बाइट ऑफ मोर देन वन कैन च्यू. A fish out of water. Fish out of water means a person in an unfamiliar environment where they feel awkward. जब मछली पानी से बाहर आ जाएगी तो उसके लिए तो वो नहीं है ना environment. Similar way, a fish out of water means when a person is in uncomfortable or not in a fine circumstances, right? जहाँ व्यक्ति अजनबी महसूस करे, he is not in a good circumstance. नेक्स्ट इज ब्लो वंस ऑन ट्रम्पेट. अपने ही बारे में जब आप बात करते हैं, नार्सिसिस्ट होते हैं, टू टॉक प्राउडली अबाउट वंस अचीवमेंट्स, दैट इज ब्लो वंस ओन ट्रम्पेट. अपने मुंह में मिट्ठू बनना इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लो वंस ओन ट्रम्पेट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव एट द ड्रॉप ऑफ अ हैट, दैट मीन्स बहुत जल्दी से, इमीडिएटली, विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, फौरन, एकदम से, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज at the drop of a hat, or even you call it out time. Cry over spilt milk, that is to waste time being upset over something जिसका अब कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. So don't cry over spilt milk, that means जो चीज already हो चुकी है, अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई है. So that was all. I think these were 25 idioms and they are way more interesting. Try to just revise it and we will go with the series. I hope you have learned all the words. They were pretty easy. Face the music, face the consequences. Bite the bullet, difficult situation को face करना. Fish out of water, मतलब fish out of water. एक आप अपने comfort zone से बाहर आ चुके हैं. और क्या पूछा था हमने? Blow one's own trumpet, that is अपनी ही मुंह मियां मिट्ठू बनना, अपनी ही तारीफें करना. And cry over spilt milk, that is अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत, that is आप मत पछताना. So that is what I want to convey you right now. Start preparing right now. And yes, all these documents are there on your PDF panel. So start preparing and see you soon in the classes, guys. All the best. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.